Good afternoon, everyone. Now we will discuss on a semi-solid dosage form. In that we have seen suspension and emulsion. Now we will discuss on ointment. Ointment are the semi-solid preparation meant for external application to skin or the mucous membrane. They are usually contain medicament or medicament dissolved, suspended, or emulsified in an ointment base. So now let us see the classification of ointment. Ointment is classified into two types. First one is according to their therapeutic property based on penetration. Next one is according to their therapeutic uses. First one is classification according to properties based on penetration, means how deep it acts into the skin. First one is epidermic, next endodermic, and the third one is diadermic ointment. Epidermic means it acts on the upper surface and locally to the skin. Next one is endodermic, means it acts to the inner layers of the skin. And the last one is diadermic, means it acts locally, means deep down into the tissue of the skin. Next classification is according to therapeutic uses. In that, it is classified into antibiotic ointment, antifungal ointment, anti-inflammatory ointment, antipruritic ointment, astringent ointment, anti-eczematous ointment, keratolytic ointment, counter irritant ointment used for dandruff treatment, ointment for psoriasis treatment, paracetamol ointment, and the last one is protectant ointment. So these are total 12 classes, comes under the classification according to therapeutic use. The next one is bases. Bases we use in the preparation of ointment are oleaginous bases, absorption bases, emulsion bases, and last one is water soluble bases. In oleaginous bases, it contains petrolatum, hard paraffin, liquid paraffin. In absorption bases, wool fat, hydrous wool fat, wool alcohol, beeswax. Emulsion bases contain emulsifying wax, white soft paraffin, and liquid paraffin. And water soluble bases contain carbowaxes. The next one is selection of dermatological vehicles. In that it contains dermatological factor and pharmaceutical factor. So for dermatological factor, we consider the following points like absorption and penetration, effect on the skin function, miscibility with the skin secretion and serum, compatibility with the skin secretion, freedom from irritant effect, emollient property, ease of application and removal. In the pharmaceutical factors, we consider following points such as stability, solvent property, emulsifying property, and its consistency. So these are the factors. Next one is preparation of ointment. Ointment is prepared by total 4 methods: trituration method, fusion method, chemical reaction method, and last one is emulsification method. So this is all about your ointment. So what are the additives we use in the ointment preparation? We use additives like preservatives, antioxidant, chelating agent, perfumes, methyl paraben, propyl paraben are mainly used in all preparation as a preservatives. So here's the end of your chapter ointment. In the next lecture, we will discuss on the pests.